Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Si mas, duduk. Ini kau gak jalan. Paling. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. I would like to say thank you, first of all, to our committee in PENC. This is my opportunity. I would like to tell about my study with the title Impact of Static Lifestyle on Musculoskeletal Disorder in Adolescents in the COVID-19 pandemic. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mulia Hakam. With my team, Mr. Kusharyadi and Cindy Tia Faridatulima. This is the rule of the game, table of the content from our committee, introduction, method, result until the conclusion and reference. First of all, I want to say about my introduction in the problem during a pandemic era. Almost all the people during pandemic, all the activities almost using smartphone and laptop, and make people less active in other physical activities, especially for our students in condition when online lectures. These activities cause negative impacts such as the effect of saturation, experiencing stress until musculoskeletal complaint appear. Musculoskeletal complaint appear in individuals who lack other physical activities and cause muscle fatigue, experiencing pain to discomfort in certain body parts. For data, according WHO 2002 reported occupational risk was the 10th leading cause of death and illness, as well as risk factor globally for number illness. It is estimated that there are 300 until 400 cases every 100,000 workers in America who experience musculoskeletal disorder. Low physical activity associated with posture and body position when start at laptop, smartphone, or television screen for a long time. And it can lead to musculoskeletal complaints such as pain in hours pain and maybe in neck pain. So what is the solution when our body feel pain? In that body part are taking a short break from the activities they are doing, stretching, using pain relief cream, massage, and increase hour of sleep. In method, my design correlation research with cross-sectional method approach with the sampling technique. In my study, use simple random sampling. There are two variables, independent variable in my study is static lifestyle, and the dependent variable is a musculoskeletal complaint. With instrument ASEQ or adolescent sedentary activity question to assess static lifestyle, and the second instrument is NBM, Nordic Body Map, to assess in musculoskeletal disorder. I'm sorry, this is a mistake. In analysis is using a Spearman static test with p-value less than 0.05. And the result in my studies, there are two characteristics. The first is age, almost the totality in 20 years old in category in age. For the gender, my respondent is 204 in female. In sedentary lifestyle or static lifestyle, in medium, with the total is 119 respondents. On the other hand, in the dependent variable or musculoskeletal complaint, the most is in the high level until 121 respondents. And the correlation between static lifestyle and musculoskeletal complaint, there is a correlation about two variable. We know in the result in statistic is 0.017. And the discussion in static lifestyle based on the result research conduct on student of the Faculty of Nursing. It can be seen in our table in sedentary lifestyle or static lifestyle. Per day a week, the result is moderate level, and there are still students who carry out a high level of sedentary lifestyle. This is in line with Sajana research conduct on adolescent. The results show that the most respondents carry out sedentary lifestyle activity at a moderate level. In the variable musculoskeletal complaint, based on the result conduct on student of the Faculty of Nursing, most of the students experience high-level musculoskeletal complaint, as many as 121 or 50.8% student. This research is in line with the research 2012 conduct on student. Many students had musculoskeletal complaint, as many as 78 students. In a study conducted by Prawira 2070, also found that 72 respondents who took part in this study. This is who experience musculoskeletal complaint. This is because students carry out lecture activity in an inappropriate sitting position and for a long time and causing musculoskeletal complaint. What is the impact of the static lifestyle on musculoskeletal complaint? Based on the result of the bivariate analysis, it can be seen there is a relationship between static lifestyle and musculoskeletal complaint. The result of the analysis also show that the direction of the relationship between sedentary lifestyle and musculoskeletal complaint is an interaction or positive. So that the higher the student sedentary lifestyle behavior carried out by the respondent, the higher the perceived musculoskeletal complaint. In another study, there was also a significant relationship between the effect of smartphone use on students during the COVID-19 pandemic and musculoskeletal complaint. Teenagers do a lot of starting computer screen or smartphone to do assignment, study, access the internet, or play. In addition to these activities, adolescents also often carry out activity with leg movement and carry out for quite a long time. These show a correlation between musculoskeletal complaint, especially upper and lower back pain with low level of physical activity. For the conclusion, in my research is that students experience a moderate level of sedentary lifestyle or 3 under 4 hours every day a week. And students have experienced more musculoskeletal complaint at a high level. This is my reference. Thank you for your attention. See you next time and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.